Hello everyone, Stephen Wallace here. Come join me as I challenge myself to uncover the hidden gems of Banff National Park while capturing the most breathtaking views along the way. In this video, you'll take a journey with me through Banff National Park, uncovering its lesser-known treasures and breathtaking views. Many visitors flock to Banff for popular spots like Lake Louise and Moraine Lake, but they often miss out on the park's hidden gems and unique experiences. These popular spots are definitely worth a visit, but I want to show you that there's so much more to Banff than just these tourist hotspots. By venturing off the beaten path, you can experience a more authentic and peaceful side of Banff. You'll get to enjoy the stunning scenery without the crowds and discover secrets that most visitors never get to see. What I love about Banff is that it's a park that has something for everyone, whether you're an adventure seeker, a nature lover, or just looking for a relaxing getaway. In this video, I'll take you to some of my favorite hidden gems and hidden spots that will make you fall in love with Banff all over again. Banff is a park that's steeped in history and culture, and there's so much to learn and explore beyond the surface level. From its unique geology to its rich indigenous heritage, there's a wealth of knowledge waiting to be uncovered. By taking the time to explore beyond the popular spots, you can gain a deeper appreciation for this incredible park and its importance in Canada's national heritage. So, if you're ready to venture off the beaten path and discover the real Banff, then let's get started. Explore various hidden locations, such as turquoise lakes, secret hiking trails, and panoramic viewpoints, providing insights on how to reach them and what makes each special. One of my favorite hidden gems in Banff is the Lake O'Hara Shoreline Trail. This trail is a bit of a hike to get to, but the stunning turquoise lake and surrounding mountains make it well worth the effort. The best part is that it's still a bit of a secret, so you're likely to have the trail almost to yourself. Another hidden spot I love is the Johnston Canyon Ink Pots. These natural hot springs are nestled deep in the forest and offer a relaxing soak in a stunning natural setting. As we explore these hidden locations, you'll start to notice the unique features that make each one special. From the vibrant turquoise color of the lakes to the unique rock formations and stunning mountain vistas, every spot has its own unique charm. What I love about Banff is that it's a park that's full of surprises, and you never know what hidden gem you might stumble upon around the next corner. Whether you're a photographer, a nature lover, or just someone who appreciates beauty, Banff has something for everyone. The more you explore Banff, the more you realize just how much there is to see and do. From glacier-fed lakes to alpine meadows, and from towering mountains to sparkling waterfalls, every corner of this park is steeped in natural beauty. And yet, despite its many wonders, Banff still manages to remain a tranquil and peaceful oasis amidst the hustle and bustle of modern life. Whether you're looking to relax and unwind or to get your adrenaline pumping, Banff has the perfect combination of adventure and serenity. Highlight a particularly stunning viewpoint or hidden gem that leaves viewers in awe, illustrating the beauty and tranquility that can be found away from the crowds. One spot that always leaves me in awe is the panorama view from the top of Sulphur Mountain. This viewpoint offers a stunning 360-degree panorama of the entire park, with mountains stretching out as far as the eye can see. What I love about this spot is that it's still a bit of a secret, so you can enjoy the breathtaking view without the crowds, and the best part is that you can get there via a scenic gondola ride or a challenging hike, depending on your preference. There's something about standing on top of Sulphur Mountain that puts everything into perspective. You realize just how small you are in the grand scheme of things, and yet at the same time, you feel connected to something much bigger than yourself. And it's a truly humbling experience that leaves you feeling inspired and rejuvenated. And yet, despite its majesty, this viewpoint remains one of Banff's best-kept secrets, leaving you to enjoy the tranquility and beauty without the chaos of the crowds. This viewpoint is a perfect example of the beauty and tranquility that can be found away from the crowds in Banff. It's a reminder that sometimes The best things in life are the ones that are a bit off the beaten path. By taking the time to explore and discover these hidden gems, you can experience a more authentic and peaceful side of Banff that will leave you feeling inspired and rejuvenated. Whether you're a seasoned traveler or just looking for a new adventure, Banff has something for everyone, and I hope this video has inspired you to explore beyond the popular spots and discover the real Banff. I hope the hidden gems and captivating sights that were discussed shows you the importance of exploring beyond the well-trodden paths in Banff National Park. From turquoise lakes to secret hiking trails, and from panoramic viewpoints to hidden hot springs, we've explored some of the most stunning hidden gems that Banff has to offer. By venturing off the beaten path, you can experience a more authentic and peaceful side of Banff that will leave you feeling inspired and rejuvenated. Thanks for joining me on this journey through Banff National Park. It was fun for me, and I hope you enjoyed this video as well. Check out the video's description below for more info about Banff hidden gems, especially that gondola ride to the top of Sulphur Mountain. If you have any favorite hidden gems or secret spots that you'd like to share, please leave them in the comments below. And if you're looking for more travel inspiration, be sure to check out my other videos for more hidden gems and breathtaking views from around the world.